What's up, guys? So today I am gonna go on my first solo camping trip in my Yukon, and I'm gonna go to a special place that I have not been to before. I don't have no solar generator, I don't have nothing, they don't have no power there. It's free camping. There's nothing there except for, I think there's might be a bathroom there. So I'm gonna get the car loaded up and we're gonna get going. All right, guys, I think I'm ready. Got my guitar to play a little bit. We got 2 hours and 16 minutes till we get to our destination. It's starting to rain. I don't think it's supposed to rain long. Hopefully not. I had no idea it was supposed to rain today. None whatsoever. I want to be out here on the road. That's all I want to do. I just feel so free. I'm about 14 miles out from my destination, excuse me. So, won't be long until we get there. This is really steep and crooked. Right there, look at that. Here we are, guys, we're here. It's supposed to go this way. What? Got a camp spot right here. See the fire ring right there. I kind of want a camp spot that's kind of off the road a little bit. I might just back in right here. It's so quiet. I think I'm gonna make me a cup of coffee. Oh, I forgot silverware. Crap. So, only thing I got is this. So I'm gonna rinse it off and I'm gonna use it. So, but it looks like all I'm gonna be eating is those hot dogs and some bread, some chips and dip. It's better than nothing. I forgot I did bring my knife. So it's a little bit better than the utility knife. A friend of mine pretty much gave me this knife. It is a Mora, something like that. But it's a pretty good knife. I mean, it's nothing real special, but nothing real fancy, but it gets the job done. think I need to gather up a little bit of wood to start a fire with. I got the water way too hot. I can't drink it yet. It's got my cup like really hot. Have I told y'all lately that this is awesome? Just being out here, away from the road, away from civilization, just away from people. It's away and just it's a very good way to just like come out and clear your head. It's kind of like get a reboot, you know, because it's being off in town and, you know, going to work all the time and, you know, just trying to live life all the time, you know, sometimes it can get overwhelming. And I was watching somebody on YouTube. They took a piece of wood. I brought my little ferro rod. It's just a little cheap one from Walmart, but and he was taking the wood and he was like just kind of taking his knife and just kind of peeling back like this, and then was making like little shavings pretty much on top of the wood, and then used his ferro rod to like light those little pieces on fire, and that's how he started his fire. I don't know if I'll be able to do it or not. I'm gonna try. I haven't had any luck yet. It's black. It almost caught. Having skills like this and knowing stuff like this is very valuable. I've been sitting here trying to get something to ignite. Well, this thing, and no luck yet. See, I got these shavings right here, and I was trying to get them to light. I mean, I think I've seen somebody on YouTube do that before, but I'm not having any luck. Anybody know what that noise is? Sounds like a locust. Not sure. I think it's a locust though. Well, I left the bread at home, and I mean, I was in a hurry. I gotta get better at this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cook some of them sausage things that's got cheese in them and eat some chips and dip, because I don't have any bread and I didn't bring a spatula, so I'm gonna cook up some of those. And I didn't even bring plates. Well, you seen what's for supper. 4 hot dog things with cheese, some spinach dip, and some chips. Because I forgot bread, I forgot ketchup, I forgot silverware. So, I mean, I got potato salad and all that in there, but I have no spoon, no fork. Well, I got a full stomach. I'm sitting here just listening to the birds. I don't know, I think they're hawks and stuff, and you can see them flying around through the trees, stuff like that. It's pretty cool. It's starting to get dark. Sun's going down. It's about time to build a fire. Even though I looked it up online and it said there was no fire ban for this county, I'm still paranoid about it. The reason being is because of all the wildfires going on in the world. I mean, the wildfires are the worst now than they've ever been, so I'm just kind of paranoid about burning anything. But I mean, what's a camping trip without a campfire? I tell you what, I do look forward to many more days like this. I really need to figure out what I'm going to do with the van, whether I'm going to do that or not, or whether I'm just going to use my Yukon. I kind of prefer the van just because there's more room and I could put a good solar system in it, but then there's like the Yukon and it's 4-wheel drive and I can go places that van can't go. One more cup of coffee before the night's over. I ain't gonna lie, kind of creepy out here when it's starting to get dark. I mean, you just out here and you just got the woods and it's like, I like put my headlight on, I'm looking around and stuff, hearing something hear something move in the woods. Like, what? Who's it? What's it? Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah, buddy. Guys, this has been an awesome trip. I'm gonna sit here by the fire and drink this coffee. And you say, why drink coffee before you go to bed? Huh? Maybe because I wanted to drink some coffee by the fire before I go to bed, right? Yeah. My head's like on a swivel. What was that? My head's like on a swivel, boy, I'm telling you. Head is on a swivel. So I'm gonna sit here by this fire, drink this coffee, and then I'm gonna lay it down, guys. Hope y'all have a great night, and I'll see y'all in the morning. I know I said I'd see y'all in the morning, but it's hard to go to sleep. I'm sitting here watching YouTube. Luckily, I have service where I'm at. I'm very surprised, but anyway, I'm just laying here. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you go for real. I'll see y'all in the morning. Peace. Good morning, everybody. I slept great. I slept so good. I could have used a little bit more padding. Yeah, my back don't feel the greatest because all I had was a couple little bitty thin pads. So I'll show you. These right here. I bought an air mattress, but it was too big for the area, so I didn't use it. So I just used that, put my sleeping bag down, slept on top of it, covered up with another blanket. I kept my windows cracked just a little bit. That way airflow could flow through the Yukon. What's going on, everybody? Man, this has been a great trip. This has been so awesome. Right now, I'm trying to get everything picked up and put in the back of the Yukon. All right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this adventure with me. This has been a great trip, a much needed trip. And but all good things must come to an end. There will be more coming. And until then, oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment and support the channel. I would really appreciate it. So much love, much peace. We'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.